So, first on this list of some incredible wallpaper applications for Android is the good old backdrops wallpaper, which is also an honorable mention. And if you love custom wallpapers, this one's a serious contender. What makes backdrops wallpaper very different and still relevant is that every wallpaper you see is handcrafted by the in-house team, and so no stock photos or generic patterns here. And that is a big deal because it means you get exclusive designs for your device that you won't find anywhere else. The application is all about discovery. You will find a curated wall of the day section that drops fresh new designs daily, so you can always keep your home screen looking sharp. And they even have a community tab where users can upload original work, and the best part, only high quality original submissions make the cut, so no low resolution wallpapers are accepted, meaning users will always get high quality wallpapers to select from. And now let's talk about variety. Backdrops has something for everyone: minimal, abstract, dark AMOLED friendly wallpapers, photography, style, and more. And it's basically a one-stop shop for every wallpaper style imaginable. You can also save your favorites, sync them across devices with Google Sign-In, and if you are feeling fancy, you can go pro for an ad-free experience and bonus collections. It is sleek, smooth, and constantly being updated, making it perfect for keeping your setup fresh. It is definitely worth downloading if you haven't seen this before. So, away from the good old backdrops wallpaper application, the next 7 are also unique and equally incredible. Links to all the apps are in the description below. Next up is Lumina Walls, and this one's special, created by Sam Beckman, known for quality applications, and wow, this really is game-changing. Talk of the design is super clean and minimal, with buttery smooth navigation. It is fast, no waiting around for wallpapers to load. And setting a wallpaper, you just tap, set, and it's done. The app focuses on ultra-high resolution exclusive art, and if you do test applications more like I do, you'll realize that most premium wallpaper applications feel cluttered, but Lumina Walls is simple, fast, and full of stunning categories, including minimal, bold, and art designs. And there is a healthy mix of free and premium content plus daily new wallpapers. And each one has a similar style section, and so if you like a particular wallpaper, finding a similar one is super easy. And oh, with the haptics, it is incredible. It makes browsing feel oddly satisfying, and so if you are serious about custom home screen setups, Lumina Walls can provide some perfect wallpaper options. And it's pretty lightweight, smooth, and satisfying to use, and it is free to download actually, just like the others on the list. Let's move on to Panels, which is another awesome application from the camp of MKBHD, and this one takes a different approach. It is all about high-quality, full-resolution artwork, and every wallpaper is artist-curated, bringing unique, global creativity to your screen. And that is the standout approach. How the wallpapers are curated. It is not just random wallpapers, these are carefully selected high-quality pieces of art that make your device feel like a visual experience. It showcases exclusive digital art from some great artists featured on the application. And there are hundreds of wallpapers, with new ones added every week, and the premium collections make this application a top-tier choice. The interface is intuitive, browsing and applying wallpapers is simple and fast, and so if you're bored with standard wallpaper applications, then this one lets you explore real artistry on your home screen. And now, for the fans of stock wallpapers, there is Phonewalls. This application has over 4,500 wallpapers from 30+ smartphone brands. Think Apple, Samsung, Google, Xiaomi, and more, which are well categorized all in one place. Stock wallpapers from way back, and even fresh ones which are great for both the home screen and lock screen. And the best part, even wallpapers from unpopular phone brands are included. It is ad-free and super lightweight. I think it's just about 3 MB. It also supports Material U design for smooth navigation. You can store your favorites, sync across devices, and enjoy exclusive 4K minimal and gradient wallpapers. And so if you want to keep up with the latest stock wallpapers and trending designs, Phonewalls is a must-have wallpaper application. Talk of customization with style, Smudgees is a pretty decent application you should try. It offers over 2,000 high-quality wallpapers across 30 categories, and the standout feature, a color palette tool that lets you find wallpapers by color, great for creating a matching setup. And on this application, gradient and fluid wallpapers shine on here, with minimalist and 3D options adding some variety. You will also find exclusive designs, fresh daily updates, and the community tab is also another plus, giving you even more ways to explore without digging through categories. And speaking of categories, there are several of them, mostly pro version, but you can access free wallpapers also. The application has exclusive wallpapers that aren't available anywhere else, and they update daily. And so you always have something new to choose from. It is a solid, well-built wallpaper application filled with stunning designs which are just fun to explore. Talk of a wallpaper application that breeds premium, top-tier 4K wallpapers and HD backgrounds, Thematica delivers. This application is packed with, well, 10,000 AI-generated and hand-edited designs. The category section alone is a sight to behold, and it includes anime, nature, abstracts, cars, dark mode, and more. Plus, it gets daily updates of wallpapers. You get smart features like color and style search, cloud sync for favorites, and future tools like advanced wallpaper editor makes it feel robust. And yes, it is lightweight, so no worry about battery drain. This app is the go-to if you want a mix of AI-generated art and premium curated collections. The wallpapers are designed so well for both lock screen and home screen, and for those of you who love the depth effects on your lock screen, there is a dedicated section of such wallpapers. And so if you are someone who wants nothing but premium design wallpapers, this application is worth checking out. And if you are into exclusive minimal designs, Wallops is a not-so-popular application you should check out. Created by the Wigibox team, it is filled with in-house handcrafted wallpapers you won't find anywhere else. Think vibrant, unique designs for AMOLED screens, clean and minimal wallpapers and more. There are wallpapers in a variety of categories, including abstracts, nature, and even some more artistic, conceptual pieces in the mix. It doesn't offer the same old designs you see everywhere, and so Wallops is definitely worth a look. And new designs are also added once in a while. And finally, we have Wallpop, and this one's all about diverse 4K HD wallpapers and gaming backgrounds. And so whether you want abstracts, vibrant, artistic, or even material designs, Wallpop has it. You can search for wallpapers by color, you can download wallpapers, and it really does well on frequent updates. It has social features like, ratings and comments, which adds a community feel, but you can only access these when you sign in. Plus, artists can showcase their work and grow an audience right within the application. It's actually one wallpaper application that I cannot let go, and I get pretty unique wallpapers from here once in a while, making it an exciting wallpaper to have. Plus, the UI is great with some smooth navigation when browsing. So there you have it, 8 wallpapers that can freshen up your Android home and lock screens. From high-quality stock images, exclusive art, and AI-generated designs, I think these wallpaper applications are incredible to have. Plus, they are all free to install, so links are in the description. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to consider subscribing to the channel and also liking the video. And as always, thank you for watching.